Naomi Home presents a headboard assembly instruction video. Before we begin, please make sure you have the assembly instructions at hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This headboard comes as shown, with 2 legs and 2 mounting brackets attached. To mount the legs to the bed rails, grab the hex screwdriver or Allen wrench and unscrew the legs bolted from the back of the headboard. Then, place a leg at the end of each side. Place part B washers and screw in part A bolt. Once that is done, your headboard should look like this. Depending upon your bed type, additional headboard attachments are available at third-party sources. Depending on the size of your headboard, please follow these guides in order to mount the correct leg position. For the wall mounting method, drill the holes into the wall to insert the wall anchors. Place the mounting brackets over the wall anchors and screw them in. Use the template included in the carton to align the holes and level your bracket placement. Make sure everything is aligned correctly and leveled. Finally, mount the headboard onto the brackets. And there you have it. Your headboard is now complete and ready for use with either method of your choosing. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product links and more in the description below.